Kalvitsolai.com presents you an audio book for Class 12 English Medium students. Biology Botany. Chapter 6. Principles of Ecology. In this lesson, we can see the book back 1-mark questions with the answers. Question number 1. Arrange the correct sequence of ecological hierarchy starting from lower to higher level. Option A. Individual organism population landscape ecosystem. Option B. Landscape ecosystem biome biosphere. Option C. Community ecosystem landscape biome. Option D. Population organism biome landscape. Answer to this question number 1 is option C. Community ecosystem landscape biome. Question number 2. Ecology is the study of an individual species is called 1. Community ecology. 2. Otology. 3. Species ecology. 4. Synecology. Answer to this question number 2 is option D. Ecology is the study of an individual species is called 2. Otology and 3. Species ecology. Question number 3. A specific place in an ecosystem where an organism lives and performs its functions is option A. Habitat. Option B. Niche. Option C. Landscape. Option D. Biome. Answer to this question number 3 is option B. Niche. Question number 4. Read the given statements and select the correct option. 1. Hydrophytes possess parenchyma to support themselves in water. 2. Seeds of viscum are positively photoblastic as they germinate only in the presence of light. 3. Hygroscopic water is the only soil water available to roots of plants growing in soil as it is present inside the micropores. 4. High temperature reduces use of water and solute absorption by roots. Answer to this question number 4. From the above 4 statements, the second, third and fourth are correct. Question number 5. Which of the given plant produces cardiac glycosides? Option A. Calotropis. Option B. Acacia. Option C. Nepenthes. Option D. Utricularia. Answer to this question number 5 is option A. Calotropis. Question number 6. Read the given statements and select the correct option. 1. Loamy soil is best suited for plant growth as it contains a mixture of silt, sand and clay. 2. The process of humification is slow in case of organic remains containing a large amount of lignin and cellulose. 3. Capillary water is the only water available to plant roots as it is present inside the micropores. 4. Leaves of shade plant have more total chlorophyll per reaction center. Low ratio of chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B are usually thinner leaves. Answer to this question number 6. From the above 4 statements, first, second and third are correct. Question number 7. Read the given statements and select the correct option. Statement A. Cattle do not graze on weeds of Calotropis. Statement B. Calotropis have thorns and spines as defense against herbivores. Answer to this question number 7 is option B. Statement A is correct, but statement B is incorrect. Question number 8. In soil water available for plants is option A. Gravitational water. Option B. Chemically bound water. Option C. Capillary water. Option D. Hygroscopic water. Answer to this question number 8 is option C. Capillary water. Question number 9. Read the following statements and fill up the blanks with correct option. 1. Total soil water content in soil is called. 2. Soil water not available to plants is called. 3. Soil water available to plants is called. Answer. 1. Total soil water content in soil is called HOLAD. 2. Soil water not available to plants is called HARD. 3. Soil water available to plants is called CRESARD. Answer to this question number 9 is option A. Question number 10. Column 1 represents the size of the soil particles and column 2 represents the type of soil components. Which of the following is the correct match for column 1 and column 2? Column first. 1. 0.2 to 2.00 millimeters. 2. Less than 0.002 millimeters. 3. 0.00 to 0.02 millimeters. 4. 0.00 to 0.2 millimeters. Column second. 1. Silt soil. 2. Clayey soil. 3. Sandy soil. 4. Loamy soil. Answer to this question. 0.2 to 2.00 millimeters sandy soil. Less than 0.002 millimeters clayey soil. 0.00 to 0.02 millimeters silt soil. 0.00 to 0.2 millimeters loamy soil. Answer to this question number 10 is option C. Question number 11. The plant of this group are adapted to live partly in water and partly above substratum and free from water. Option A. Xerophytes. Option B. Mesophytes. Option C. Hydrophytes. Option D. Halophytes. Answer to this question number 11 is option D. Halophytes. Question number 12. Identify the A, B, C and D in the given table. Interaction. 1. Mutualism. 2. Identify the B. 3. Competition. 4. Identify the D. Effects on species X. 1. Identify the A. 2. Plus. 3. Minus. 4. Minus. Effects on species Y. 1. Plus. 2. Plus. 3. Identify the C. 4. 0. Answer to this question number 12 is option A. Details. Identification of A is plus. Identification of B is parasitism. Identification of C is minus. Identification of D is amensalism. Question number 13. Ophrys, an orchid resembling the female of an insect so as to be able to get pollinated, is due to the phenomenon of option A. Myrmecophily. Option B. Ecological equivalence. Option C. Mimicry. Option D. None of these. Answer to this question number 13 is option C. Mimicry. Question number 14. A free-living nitrogen-fixing cyanobacteria, which can also form symbiotic association with the water fern Azolla. Option A. Nostoc. Option B. Anabina. Option C. Chlorella. Option D. Rhizobium. Answer to this question number 14 is option B. Anabina. Question number 15. Pedogenesis refers to option A. Fossils. Option B. Water. Option C. Population. Option D. Soil. Answer to this question number 15 is option D. Soil. Question number 16. Mycorrhiza promotes plant growth by option A. Serving as a plant growth regulator. Option B. Absorbing inorganic ions from soil. Option C. Helping the plant in utilizing atmospheric nitrogen. Option D. Protecting the plant from infection. Answer to this question number 16 is option B. Absorbing inorganic ions from soil. Question number 17. Which of the following plant has a non-succulent xerophytic and thick leathery leaves with waxy coating? Option A. Bryophyllum. Option B. Ruscus. Option C. Nerium. Option D. Calotropis. Answer to this question number 17 is option C. Nerium. Question number 18. In a freshwater environment like a pond, rooted autotrophs are: Option A. Nymphia and Typha. Option B. Ceratophyllum and Utricularia. Option C. Wolffia and Pistia. Option D. Azolla and Lamna. Answer to this question number 18 is option A. Nymphia and Typha. Question number 19. Match the following and choose the correct combination from the options given below. Column 1. Interaction. 1. Mutualism. 2. Commensalism. 3. Parasitism. 4. Predation. 5. Amensalism. Column 2. Examples. 1. Trichoderma and Penicillium. 2. Balnophora orobanche. 3. Orchids and ferns. 4. Lichen and mycorrhiza. 5. Nepenthes and Dionaea. Correct match will be 1. Mutualism. 4. Lichen and mycorrhiza. 2. Commensalism. 3. Orchids and ferns. 3. Parasitism. 2. Balnophora orobanche. 4. Predation. 5. Nepenthes and Dionaea. 5. Amensalism. 1. Trichoderma and Penicillium. Answer to this question number 19 is option D. Question number 20. Strong, sharp spines that get attached to animals' feet are found in the fruits of: Option A. Argemone. Option B. Egbalium. Option C. Heritier. Option D. Crosandra. Answer to this question number 20 is Argemone. Question number 21. Sticky glands of Boerhaavia and Cleome support: Option A. Anemochory. Option B. Zoochory. Option C. Autochory. Option D. Hydrochory. Answer to this question number 21 is option B. Zoochory. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to this channel. Thanks to everyone who listened to this audio book for Plus 2 students provided by www.kalvisolai.com, a popular educational website. Stay tuned to kalvisolai.com to hear more of the audio books. Plus 2 students play and listen to the audio over and over again. Then click on the link below to write an online test. Post your scores in the website comments box. Please like, comment and share.